Eco-Waste Coalition is recommending, no, talaga na since every year we're experiencing the same problem, no, on waste after the translasyon. First and foremost, dapat ay isama na sa program, no, during the preparatory stage, yung ecological, no, yung pagmamanage ng basura and the implementation of RA 9003, no. The DNR should be on top of this and should be part of the planning of the planning of this translation, no. Good also for good also to have lots of refilling station, water station, no, para maiwasan, no, yung madaming water bottles, no, at even plastics with water, no. So maganda rin na magkaroon ng ecological conversion, no. So maganda na all the ecology ministry of different churches and parishes within the vicinity of Quiapo ay magkaroon ng mga conversion, no, ng value formation at patungkol just sa ecology. Maganda simulan to doon sa mga hihos, no. They have all the chapters, no, at maganda na maturuan din sila, no. And syempre maganda na for the next year ipagbawal, kontrolin, no, o kung hindi kakayanin na ipagbawal talaga yung paggamit ng styro during this. Kasi yun yung madami tayong nakita, no? At
Right.
talaga naman na dapat i-enforce yung ban on littering, no? Kasi ano siya, um, ang dami natin nakita na kung saan lang siya nagtatapon ng kanyang basura, no? Kasi walang nag-i-enforce, walang nagtitiket, no? At dapat mahigpit ito, lalo na sa mga ganitong panahon.